This particular stock, it was trading around 2 rupees in 2020, and in 2024 it was trading around 80 rupees, and today it is trading around just 40 rupees. We are going to talk about the company called Suzlon. This is one of the India's most debt-ridden company, and it has turned into net cash positive. Without wasting any time, just quickly get into the video. Suzlon Energy is India's largest wind turbine manufacturer. They have 35% of the market share, over 20,000 megawatt installed base in India. They don't just sell the turbines, they build, install and service them for 20 years. It is founded in 1995, listed on NSE and headquarters in Pune. It is a simple business. When wind blows, they make money. Tulsi Tanti ran a textile business in Surat in 1990s. Power cuts was killing his margin, and he bought 2 wind turbines to fix the electricity issue for his factories. Then he realized wind energy is a business. He sold his textile company and finally went all in one, which is wind. By 2007, Suzlon was Asia's second largest wind turbine energy company. Let's talk about the business model. Suzlon design, manufacture and supplies wind turbine generators. They have a flagship called S144. It has 3.15 megawatt turbine built for India's low wind speed conditions. They have 14 manufacturing facilities. It is fully vertically integrated. They have own blades, nacelles, towers and generators. Annual production capacity 4.5 gigawatts. Their core customers are Adani, Greenco, Torrent Powers, government utilities and large C&I companies. This is the revenue engine for them. But this is not a real moat. Operational and maintenance, basically we call it as an O&M, is the main crown jewel for them. Here is what most people miss. Suzlon service 15,000 megawatt of turbines under long-term maintenance contract. That 10,000 plus turbine running every year, generating the service fee for the Suzlons. Why don't customers switch? Here is the catch. Because Suzlon owns the diagnostic software and proprietary of the turbine data. Switching is painful. Almost nobody does it. When you look at the result, this is an annuity style recurring revenue at 40% of EBITDA margin. Every turbine sold today is equal to 20 years of service revenue. That's the compounding mission hidden inside this manufacturing company. Now let's talk about the promoter integrity. This is where Suzlon stands out from the most Indian companies. In 2008, RE Power acquisition went wrong. 14,000 crores of debt is piled up. In 2012 and 2019, Suzlon defaulted on its foreign bonds. What did Tulsi do? He sold Senvion, his German crown jewel, for 7,300 crores. Every rupee went into the debt repay. He personally infused 392 crores of his own money into 2020 restructuring. 99.9% of the creditors approved this plan. Not a single lender left in the lurch. That is integrity. Tulsi passed away in 2022. The company turning around was a bearing fruit. The company he built continuously delivering records, results without him. That tells you it was never just a one man. It's a real institution. Let's talk about the fundamentals. How is the profit and revenue? In financial year of 2023, revenue is 5,900 crores. PAT is 247 crores. And 2024, revenue is 6,500 crores. And PAT is 660 crores. 2025, revenue is 10,851 crores. And PAT is 2,072 crores. In 2026, the financial year of 2026, revenue is 11,200 crores. Just in 9 months only, already more than financial year of 2025. The revenue is up 67%. The PAT is up of 3x. EBITDA margin is continuously expanding, 15.8% to 17.1%, and then today it is 18.3%. Return on equity 38.9%. They have an order book 6.4 gigawatts, largest in the company's history. 2.5 years of revenue already they're logged in. Let's see what is there in the balance sheet. In 2019, Suzlon had 12,000 crores of debt. Today, the net cash is 1,556 crores and debt to equity, which is effectively zero. Interest cost, which is quite nearly to zero. Every rupee of operating profit flows to shareholders, not bankers. Compare this to Adani Green. It has 80,000 crores of debt with 1.5x of interest coverage. Clean balance sheet in a capital intensive industry is a massive competitive advantage. Let's talk about the pros and cons. First, we will go with the pros. It is a market leader, 35% of market share with no close competitor. This is completely O&M moat, operational and maintenance moat, 1500 megawatt under service, sticky customers with 40% of margin. Clean balance sheet, net cash, zero debt and no pledges. Massive order book of 6.4 gigawatts, 2.5 years of revenue, which is a visibility. India's 500 gigawatt renewable target by 2030. It is a key pillar. When you look at the valuation, forward PE of 18 to 20x for 35% of the growth company is equal to PEG of 0.5. This is cheaper than peers. Inox Wind trades around 35 to 40x of PE despite weaker fundamentals. Now let's talk about the cons. It has policy risk. India's wind capacity additions are lumpy. Action slowdowns hurts the revenue. It is completely retail investor shareholder base. 55% of the retail investors is high volatility. The stock fell from 85 rupees to 40 rupees because of completely panic selling, because of bad fundamentals and low promoter holding, which is 11.7%. It was diluted during the debt restructuring, not sold, not pledged, but still it's low. Global players like GE Vernova are active. It has an execution risk as well. Scaling from 1.5 gigawatts to 4 gigawatts. These kind of deliveries required flawless operations. These are the real risk. Okay, when you look at the valuation, the conservative intrinsic value, which is 52 rupees to 55 rupees, and the current price is 40 rupees. We are in the margin of safety zone. Most of the analysts in the market, they targets 64 to 82 rupees. The buying zone for this particular stock is 38 to 48 rupees and more below 35 rupees. Look at the bottom line. This has net cash, record orders, 35% of the market share. Promoter integrity, it has been proven in the crisis. Valuation is discounted. If this helped you to understand Suzlon Energy, please do like this video and subscribe my channel. Are you holding or waiting for the correction? Please do comment in the comment box. I'm happy to read your comments and reply it. See you in the next one. Till then, bye.